don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to Amapenzo to TV. It's the Club World Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Dortmund 4. I'm joined by, straight from Sizok Chola, it's Kolani.
Tibo.
It's go!
Tibo Kambajan. Great. Tibo Poo.
I want to have to break it. I want to make it.
But at the same time, it's a span.
Yeah.
As a vuga,
Yeah.
Slala lead. Tibo Tungula, my fans, is Tibo.
Yeah.
11 to Calaba subscribe to you.
Yeah.
Banganegu TikTok.
Yeah.
On Kama platforms, Tibo.
Yeah.
Check.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tibo,
Where do you start?
Yo, feed.
Where do you start?
It's TV Sundown.
Yeah.
Ain't
It's tough, ne?
Aye, Sundown ain't must.
Strong.
It's Tibo. Yo. I wanna see Tibo PSL Yonke, Safa.
Yeah.
Management de Sundown.
Yeah.
Ivan Khoza, Petrus Mzib. Tibo said developing Zanzi.
Yeah, true.
I said developers.
True.
Tibo come to the game is Tibo. Telling is Sundown. Tibo.
Yeah.
But I'm a bit confused. Like
Why?
my coach is Sundown.
Carus.
Yeah. Tibo.
Okay.
If you rule a garak Sundown,
Yeah.
I was calling missing story
Via
this game.
yeah, like Bezo winning Sundowns.
Ngisho next.
Or Bezo Shao is
If you rule
Yeah.
I pizza Sundown nyalo.
Yeah.
I was calling missing story.
Different story.
Ngafuna man. Angisathi le story ukuthi siphi Tibo.
But different story.
Yeah.
Not least.
Different story. Coming to the game is TV Sundown. Ifika ngomdawu,
Yeah, Kuliso.
ifika ngokekana,
Yeah.
ifika
Cupido.
Cupido, ngolunga.
Divine, yeah.
Good player, left back Ukraine.
Yes.
Because okay, umdiba upline
Yeah.
for that position.
Yeah.
For me ngafaka umdiba.
Yeah.
Lunga, but then he done very good.
Yeah.
Went to Ukraine festival since iqalile le World Cup. Ukraine.
Yeah.
Keep him.
Hard
Cupido
work.
also.
Yeah.
Ngibuke first game yabo. The con ipola mukmele ngene Cupido was there to like protect yabo.
Yes.
They badlali football is simple.
Yeah.
The Sundown Taruisi nyele dlala la pastibo.
Yeah.
But I've also game of fanda come to the game of fanda the problem. Umkipela mkwini.
Eish, mfethu.
Mfethu.
Eish, mfethu.
Mengisakhuluma neno Atam Asanda lana. Ngithi if ukhipha umkwena Nyambuto Asanda ngithi kuye if ukhipha umkwena Asanda kuzodlala Alende. Is Alende better no Adams na Asanda ngiphendula uthini Asanda.
Athi.
Uthi kimi Asanda Alende ugood ngama passes kuyaphakathi.
Yeah.
Kuyaphambili. But then athi kimi Adams ugood ukudrifta ngebhola. Bamba ibhola pass. Like yakhona protect ibhola.
Yeah.
Ngacabanga mfethu.
Ngicabanga.
Ngathi kimi if on to keep umkwena. If ufuna ukukhipha umkwena. Okay, ngibeke so. Ngamkhipha umkwena. Keeper Alende for Adams. You understand?
Like for
I
life.
protect uzwana.
Yeah.
Uzwana ikadlalela a guy on the left side.
Yes.
Umkwena got drift on the left side. It was very difficult to.
For Uzwana.
But then okay, ngina stress to. Ngiphinze ngibuye futhi ukukhadosa ngithi uyi-studishile i-Dortmund.
Yeah.
Too much.
Yeah.
I-Dortmund ngachecka onke la magame esikhuluma futhi no-Asana. Ngachecka most of ama-game wabo. They concede second half.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But I consider second half. First half, bakhona protect. They look beautiful on the ball. Like they protect the ball. The moment of the ball, the movements, like my movement. My long ball crosses Basha. You understand? And Ntwana 77. Job.
Yeah.
Dangerous that.
Very,
Dangerous.
very.
Don't born. If a guy give a good Barcelona next season,
Yeah.
hang on.
Uyasho bazomthatha ukuthi azocompete
I play in Italy.
yeah el clasico kube uJobe no Jude
Ndod.
Bellingham
Barcelona and Italy. Steve, if mina misilo la studio Steve City Suntown or compete in Africa with I Santana compete mfana ifake anyway
yeah mara vele
ngipakani mfethu
yeah
like I love Pirates
Yeah.
team I mean good
ngiyaqala
but nyalo World Cup siya fight lapha ya team
ndoda.
nami kusasa ngabe ngipakani ngifuna bangifive ngifuna kuba ne support team
Yeah,
but then I see go Suntown next game
yeah
cindezelana afithu
baqinisisana
bacindisa mfethu
hey shimbi
qinisisana Tibo ngifuna kushiya ama fans ni debate
yeah
bathi umndawo ini the best
yeah
right back in
South Africa
or
in Africa
babemcompare no Hakimi
no Hakimi lo we
PSG
PSG
yeah
hey Steve
but wena uthi
umcompare na ba Steve
bemcompare no Hakimi
hey Steve
Amboni Grand
compare ngomuntu win in
Champions League yeah UEFA Champions League
UEFA
hayi le
Steve bonile wenzani lamuhla stuff
ndoda
Steve asikhulumele indaba lena now siya top 16 if bayangena
hey
yeah
Hey.
mara bafisa inhlanhla Steve
yeah
Yeah, ngiyafisa.
but uyasho ukuthi untwana is not the best yanyiwa la ngaphansi
FU Steve lapha ya Triple Cup
yanyiwa la ngaphansi
Triple Cup get Jimmy Steve but mina will say Steve ne I'll say Steve
not Makezi akusi Makezi le
Cup Black Label. It's not Black Label da. But in Black Label competition etitagwa.
hey
Ume.
you welcome
Yeah, it's not Black Label da Steve. Yeah, get few da. But Steve in jam. Sival Steve City. Intona ye Dortmund. Intona Dortmund 77. Number 77. Man of the match Steve.
thank you Cox
Ngithi mina iSantana iphusha bafethu.
yeah
Ye phambili.
yeah
Sival Steve.
competition yetitaba